Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are preparing for the TCF Canada, you know how challenging the reading comprehension test can feel. But don't worry. In this video, I will share clear and effective strategies to help you succeed in this section. If you haven't seen my previous video on the listening comprehension section of the TCF Canada, I encourage you to watch it for a complete preparation. Today, we will focus on reading comprehension and how to master it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and join our exclusive membership. The link is available in the description. As a member, you'll gain privileged access to real tests and series of reading and listening comprehension exercises from the TCF Canada. You'll also benefit from detailed corrections of recent speaking and writing topics to help you score higher. Test overview. The TCF Canada Reading Comprehension Test includes 39 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, with a time limit of 60 minutes. You will need to read various types of texts, such as articles, advertisements, email, and explanatory notes, and answer questions focusing on overall understanding and specific details. This section is crucial as it assesses your ability to understand written documents commonly used in everyday life, professional, and administrative contexts, an important asset for your immigration project. General strategies to improve your reading comprehension. To succeed in this test, here are some key strategies. 1. Read in French regularly. Explore newspapers, blog, magazine, and even novels to familiarize yourself with different text types and vocabulary. 2. Practice identifying main ideas. Try summarizing each text you read in 1 or 2 sentences to train yourself to extract the core message. 3. Expand your vocabulary. The richer your vocabulary, the easier it will be to understand texts. Create flashcards with unfamiliar words and their definitions. Practical techniques during the exam. Before reading. Skim the questions before reading the text. This will help you focus on key information. While reading, focus on the main ideas and keywords. Highlight or note important information, names, dates, key facts. After reading, reread the questions and compare them with the text to confirm your answers. Avoid changing your answers unless you're absolutely sure of an error. Mistake to avoid. Here are some common mistakes. Reading too slowly. Manage your time well. If a text seems too difficult, move on and come back to it later. Focusing only on details. Don't lose sight of the text's overall meaning. Skipping practice. Regular practice is essential to improve speed and comprehension. Practice. Simulation of the written comprehension test. Congratulations on making it this far. Now, let's put theory into practice. To help you apply the strategies we've discussed, we will work through a detailed example. Step by step, you will learn how to analyze a text, eliminate incorrect answers, and identify the correct one. Step 1. Read the question carefully. To begin, it's essential to carefully read and understand the question. Question: Pourquoi Robert écrit-il à Sophie? Analyse. Here, the question invites us to determine the purpose of Robert's letter. In other words, we need to understand his intention or the main message he wishes to convey. Step 2. Read the text while keeping the question in mind. Next, let's read the text attentively, keeping the question in mind. Texte: Sophie, tu es jolie, intelligente, merveilleuse. Je t'aime. Marions-nous. Robert. As we go through the text, let's identify key elements. First, Robert starts by giving compliments: Tu es jolie, intelligente, merveilleuse. This highlights his admiration for Sophie. Then, he clearly states his feelings: Je t'aime. Finally, he makes a direct request: Marions-nous. Conclusion: it becomes evident that Robert is expressing his love and proposing marriage to Sophie. Step 3. Analyze and justify the answer choices. Now that we understand the text, let's carefully evaluate each answer option and justify our choices. Option A. Pour lui demander d'être sa femme. B. Pour lui donner du courage. C. Pour lui offrir un emploi. D. Pour lui proposer un voyage. Analyse-y. A. Pour lui demander d'être sa femme. O. Marions-nous directly supports this option. O. Thus, this answer is consistent with the text. O. Verdict, this option is correct. B. Pour lui donner du courage. O. There is no mention of encouragement or support in the text. O. Therefore, this option is irrelevant. O. Verdict, eliminated. C. Pour lui offrir un emploi. O. The letter doesn't refer to work or employment. O. Consequently, this answer cannot be valid. O. Verdict, eliminated. D. Pour lui proposer un voyage. O. No travel or trip is mentioned in the text. O. 11. This option is unrelated. O. Verdict, eliminated. Step 4. Choose the correct answer. After analyzing and eliminating the irrelevant options, the only valid choice is A. Pour lui demander d'être sa femme. Explanation. The text explicitly conveys Robert's intention to ask Sophie to marry him, as shown by the phrase marions-nous. In summary, this exercise demonstrates how using logical steps and structured reasoning can help you analyze a text effectively. With consistent practice, you will enhance your French reading comprehension and be better prepared for the TCF Canada. For more exercises, click the link in the description. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have all the essential keys to succeed in the reading comprehension section of the TCF Canada. Remember, success relies on consistent practice and applying the right strategies shared in this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tips. Also, join the exclusive membership for access to real tests and detailed corrections. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or share your preparation experience. I'd love to hear from you. Good luck with your preparation, and see you soon for another video on the TCF Canada speaking test strategies.